Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest, most enjoyable, and most natural way. You don't have to stress or study complicated grammar. Just listen carefully and watch this video several times. That's how you'll start improving your English while discovering the most iconic American celebrations. Today's video is about a tradition that lights up the sky, fills the streets with joy, and brings people together in one of the most famous places in the world, Times Square in New York City. We're talking about New Year's Eve, and you may be wondering, what's the big deal about celebrating in Times Square? Let's find out. Every year on December 31st, millions of people across the United States and around the world tune in to watch the New Year's Eve celebration in Times Square. It's not just a party. It's a huge cultural event that marks the end of one year and the beginning of another. And for many Americans, watching the countdown from Times Square is a must. The tradition began in 1907, when the first New Year's Eve ball drop took place. A large, glowing ball made of iron and wood was lowered from a flagpole on top of the Times building. Since then, the ball has evolved into a high-tech, sparkling sphere made of crystal and LED lights. At 11:59 p.m., the ball begins its descent, and when it reaches the bottom at exactly midnight, the new year officially begins. What makes this celebration so special is not just the ball drop, but the energy and atmosphere. Thousands of people gather in Times Square, sometimes standing for hours in the cold, wearing hats, waving signs, and counting down together. There's music, confetti, and performances by some of the biggest artists in the world. It's broadcast live on television and watched by over 1 billion people globally. But beyond the excitement, New Year's Eve in Times Square represents something deeper: hope. It's a moment for reflection, for letting go of the past, and for welcoming new beginnings. People make New Year's resolutions, set goals, and express their wishes for the year ahead. Even if you're not in New York, many Americans celebrate with their own traditions: house parties, special dinners, fireworks, or simply watching the countdown on TV. No matter where you are, it's a time for celebration, connection, and renewal. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning about the magic of New Year's Eve in Times Square, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's your chance to review what you've learned and keep growing in your English and cultural knowledge. Please like and share this video to help us grow and keep creating even better content for you. See you in the next adventure.